If you think gate mining is all about remembering the formulas, especially rock mechanics, if yes, then this video will be worth of your time. If you like this video, I will consider it to give more such solutions. 23 question in which factor of safety have been asked. The slope angle is 45 degree and the fault plane angle is 30 degree. Mg is the mass of the rock, and you can see mg sin theta and mg cos theta are the components along the fault plane and normal to the fault plane. Factor of safety can be given by resistive force divided by driving force. Resistive force means the force that are holding your rock mass, and driving force is the force that is responsible for sliding down. So resistive force here is two types, that is due to cohesion and due to the friction force. So cohesion is equal to C into area of the plane, and due to friction is equal to mu mg cos theta. Driving force is due to the mg sin theta component that is along the fault plane in downward direction. After breaking the components, draw the direction and force, and factor of safety will be equal to the sum of resistive force divided by driving force, which is equal to Ca plus friction force divided by mu mg sin theta. Factor of safety is given by the formula that we have already derived. In this, A is not given and mass is given in form of unit mass. So these two we have to calculate before putting the values. Area of the plane can be given by considering a triangle, as height is given as 20 meter. Let's consider ABCD. ACD is a triangle, and using sine 30 degree equal to CD by AC. AC will come at 40 meter. So this is your area of the plane. Mass can be given by unit weight into volume, and volume can be given by area of ABC into 1. Now you have to find the area of ABC. To calculate the area of ABC, we consider as half into AC into BE. B is the height which is unknown, and we can calculate using the triangle. So to calculate BE, first we find AB by using the triangle ABE, which came as 20 root 2. Now put the values of BE and AC in the formula half into base into height, and you will get the answer as 146.38 meter square. Now put the values of C, unit weight, area, theta in factor of safety formula. Mg is equal to unit weight into volume, and mu is equal to tan 22 degree as given in the question. As you put all the values, you will get the answer as 1.51. Be cautious about the unit, as in this question C is given in kilopascal. So in short terms, step by step, first you find the resistive and driving force, put it in denominator and numerator, find the area and the volume of ABC and put the values. You will get the answer. So if you like this solution, I will share more of such videos without using any formula.